Good morning. Today, we're going on a track. We're going to Lime Rock to do a track tapas day. So I'm going to take you along with me, and it'll be a lot of fun. Guys, we made it. We're at Lime Rock. It's gonna be a pretty sweet drive. Got Mercedes, Camaro, 2 Lotus, Mini, and of course the girl. They said we can turn traction control all the way off, so I mean, and I think we're sticking in 2nd gear the whole time, so this is gonna be a fun ass time. Do this. So I think they're doing 2 cars at a time. They're keeping in 2nd gear, and they're just gonna haul ass. So we'll see. They're gonna talk to us a little bit on the radio, kind of give us some pointers. So you'll probably hear that. And this is gonna be a very good time. Also, the car is gonna be a lot quieter than what you guys are used to. They are very strict on noise here. So I had to change out the Roush mufflers for the stock ones. So it won't be as loud, won't be as poppy or anything, but I can guarantee you, you'll still hear it. This is a really hands-on experience. Like, I thought we were gonna go into a classroom or like a room or something and talk about the course and yada yada yada. No, he just talked about a couple things and he said, get on the track, let's do this. So far, 10 out of 10 experience right now. And we haven't even like gone on the first lap, like real lap.
Right to the outside, start turning the wheel, turn more, Minnie, turn more. All right, go, adding power and trying to steer, and obviously going to get the front wheels to start, doing exactly what they just did. Didn't know that car had that kind of power. All right, keep going. So now that we've experienced Minnie to too much power and steering, yeah, get a turn first, and have your steering straight. Now you can go to power. Go. There you go. All right, Mustang, you're doing a good job. Keep it up. Right to the outside over here. Get to that cone. Look to the right.
Look, we want to go.
Cone on your right. Get to it and turn hard. Yeah, there you go. Straighten that wheel. Nicely done.
Whoa!
Lotus, get ready. All right, Mustang, keep it up over here. Last round.
Damn, I smell those fucking brakes.
You're gonna go out with the BMW, so just go and get your next driver in, and I'll
So I just changed the brakes on this car, literally like 3 days ago. And man, do I smell them.
I like it. Same thing back down there. Full throttle, full. Yeah, look at that. The car will Mercedes one lap to go. Nice job, Mercedes.
Little drift there. That was pretty sick.
Go.
All right, we're all done with this. We're gonna head down to the main track now and do a couple laps there. So that'll be fun. I'm excited for that. Let's do this.
Mercedes trying to save out 2 car lengths from the car in front of you. Nice job, Mustang. Keep it up. Keep the eyes looking forward. There you go. Nice job. Again, 3 to 4 car lengths between each of you. Don't follow so closely. Give everyone a chance to breathe. Do their own thing in the brake zone. There we go. That's good. Perfect. All right, nice work, everybody. Stay focused. No abrupt movements on the control. Nice and easy. Steer, nice and easy. And we're going to do another switch. Mustang moving over, looking for the Camaro.
All right, that concludes the day. We did one more lap around the track, but I kind of just wanted to focus on that one. But thank you all for tuning in. Hope you guys enjoyed. And I always hope that these videos make you go out on the track and take your cars and drive them. So until next time, deuces.